Oil prices have experienced a sharp decline, which poses significant challenges for Russian President Vladimir Putin. As of Tuesday, the price of Brent crude remained near a 4-year low. Russia's Urals oil, which is a key export blend, dropped to $50 per barrel, the lowest since March 2023. This represents a significant decline compared to previous weeks when Urals oil prices hovered around $52 to $53 per barrel. This decline is compounded by growing tensions between the US and China, particularly concerning trade tariffs. And in the latest update, a White House official has confirmed that the US will enforce a 104% tariff on China in response to its retaliatory tariff. Therefore, the war does not seem to stop anytime soon. So why is this bad news for Putin? Well, Russia's economy relies heavily on oil exports, with oil and gas accounting for about 25% of the federal budget. The Russian government has based its 2025 budget on an estimated price of $69.7 per barrel for Urals oil. The drop in oil prices directly impacts the economy, especially as Russia is spending heavily on its military campaign in Ukraine. Therefore, this financial strain may put Russia at a disadvantage in negotiations for a ceasefire. Notably, the Kremlin is closely monitoring the situation, with spokesperson Dmitry Peskov acknowledging the importance of oil prices for the national budget. Central bank officials also expressed concern, noting that falling oil prices coupled with the US's tariff hikes could harm the global economy and reduce demand for Russian energy resources. Overall, the current downturn presents a major challenge. The government is struggling to manage the economic consequences, with the situation further complicated by ongoing international tensions and the heavy costs of military involvement in Ukraine.